This is our 1993 Subaru Sambar mini truck. This one is brand new on the lot, just recently detailed, cleaned up. These Subarus are actually some of the nicest mini trucks. They're a little bit different from the others. They have 4-cylinder engines as opposed to 3 cylinders, so they do tend to run a little smoother because of that extra counterbalance of the 4th cylinder. This one is exceptionally clean on the outside, as you can see. No major dents, no rust or anything. All looks good. The interior, these are very simple interiors. There's not a whole lot to talk about, but has 85,000 kilometers on the odometer. These Sambars have 5-speed manual transmissions. And it also has, you can see this EL marker, that means extra low, so you have kind of a low granny gear / climbing gear for in the more slippery situations. No air conditioning on this one, just a heater and then air. But clean interior overall. You can see behind the seats is the same story. The seat does fold down. And then this one does have a bed cover, but underneath the bed cover it's pretty clean. There's some scratches, but no rust or anything. All looks good. You can also see under here is your engine access under that panel, as well as access under this panel here. This one we can even open up. Okay, so with this panel open, you can see that you have your whole ignition system there. So easy access to the spark plugs on these ones. But yeah, it's a Subaru Clover 4 engine. Very simple. Not a whole lot going on in there. It's still, even though it's a 4-cylinder, it's still a 660cc displacement. But yeah, that is our 1993 Subaru Sambar mini truck for sale here in Seattle, Washington. You can find more information on our website at jdmcarandmotorcycle.com.